18th century Baroque church called the Saint Peter Metropolitan Cathedral, also called the Tuguegarao Cathedral, is situated along Rizal Street in Barangay Centro 10 in Tuguegarao, Cagayan, the Philippines. The church, which was initially constructed by Dominican friars, is one of the biggest in the Cagayan Valley and serves as the administrative center of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Tuguegarao. The National Historical Institute, forerunner of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, put a historical marker with a brief history of the church in 1982. Father Villa erected a temporary parochial structure made of light materials with Saint Peter and Saint Paul as patron saints.